Hello, niaje watu wangu. Hope you guys are good, mko fiti, mko bie. So as always, this is Marsha Creatives, the home of creative tech, and today we are going to learn how to add text on our artwork. Actually, the artwork that I've been working with on our, that is a Photoshop crash course. So before we dive in, ensure to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more informative content. Get strong. So right here I have my Photoshop open. So this is our last time project. For those, if you have just jumped into this video, just get into first subscribe, like the video, then now go back to my channel. Before this video, there's a video that we did about creating the background. That was lesson 1. Then we also did how to add images. These are some of the images we have added, like this one, and this is where we are right now. So I want to toggle the visibility of this image. As I told you, this eye here toggles the visibility of any layer. So these are our layers. So from our background here, we added this background, we did our blend, that is the blend, the mode. Then now we added these images. So to add an image, as I said on our last video, is file, press embedded, locate the image, double click, and you get it right here. So on today's video, we are adding text on our artboard. So let's assume this is a poster that this is a marketing agency, and we are creating a poster for marketing agency. So let's say this is social media marketing. So we want to write social media marketing. So that's it. So I'll just come here. This is our type tool, as you can see. So just click on it. Yeah, then now you get that. Then you just come on your artboard and click anywhere on your artboard. Then you get the lorem ipsum. Then now you just start typing on your keyboard. So let's type. So there it is, social media marketing. As always, after you do anything with any tool, you have to go back to our move tool, because the move tool is the tool that enables you to pick anything and drag it around. So we have that social media marketing. So if you want to change the text, just come along here, click on, that is the font color. You can just click on any. You can even, you decide to use gradients. Just come here, click on any, and it will fit. So obvious, as you can see, this background we cannot use, the best color we can use is white. So I just come here and click on my white. So yeah, so as you can see, when I went to gradients, it added this gradient overlay. So as you can see, when you come back to the color, yes, the color is being applied, but since there's a gradient overlay, then now the gradient overlay, that is the color of the gradient, becomes on top of the color. So you have to check this toggle visibility on effects like that. Then now you get back your fill color, and there it is. So that is how you add text on your artwork. So let's maybe you want to change the font. So just click, ensure you are on your move tool, click on your text, that is the text layer right here. Come to properties. If you cannot locate your properties, just come to window and ensure properties. Here it is. If you click on it, you get this properties window on your workspace. So if you want to change the font, just come here on this character panel right here, just click. Then now, if you know the font in your head, you can type, like, let's say we want to use Times New Roman. So here it is. Then just click on it. Then now this will turn into Times New Roman. Then you can pick the weight right here. So yeah. So that's it. Then just check on any font that you want to work with. So Impact, that is another font. You can use Script. There are many fonts anyway. You can check them on Google Fonts. You can download them. Agati is one of my best fonts. That is when designing, especially flyers. I love this font. Yeah, Agati. That is another font. Then there are so many fonts. Just check them out on Google Fonts, and you'll be able to locate them. So that is how you change the font. So for instance, this thing has gone to next line. So let me just do an example. Double click that, or let me not use that. So you can, maybe you want to duplicate this text. So instead of coming to text and creating another text, you can just hold Alt on your keyboard, then click on this text and drag. Then you get a copy of that text. So then when you double click, you can edit. So I want to edit that and type something like yeah, that is Facebook Facebook, enter, Instagram, enter, then TikTok. Follow me on TikTok, Marsha Creatives. Yeah, you can follow me also on Instagram, Marsha Creatives, on Facebook, Marsha Creatives, you know. Yeah. So now, as you can see, let me toggle this, let me change the color maybe to black so that it's visible. Yeah, something like that. So now, as you can see, this text is aligned at the center. So maybe if we want our text aligned to the left or to the right, just come here on your properties, then scroll down right here on paragraph. When you do that, you get your text aligned to the left. When you come here, you get your text aligned to the right. So depending on how you want to align your text, yeah, then now maybe the distance between these two is too big or it's too small. This is where you play along with this is called the line height. You can increase, then you can decrease. That is the spacing between the lines, okay, or the sentences maybe. Then maybe if you want to increase this letter spacing, the spacing between the letters right here, this other one, then now if you do that, as you can see, you can just play along with the spacing. You can give a specific value, just double click here, like that, then you can say 50 and press enter. Then now, yeah, you get something like that. So yes, so that to change your font right here, you can change the font weight here. Yeah, depending on the type of font. Some fonts do not have that weight, like this Agati does not have the font weight, so you just have to, it depends. Then if you scroll down, here is our paragraphs, choosing whether you want to align center, right, or to the left. Then when you scroll down, maybe when you have typed for me, I've already typed this in uppercase, so it won't work here. But if you have typed your text on lowercase and you want to transform them to uppercase, you'll just check this. For me, it's not working because already I've typed on uppercase, okay? So instead, maybe of erasing the text and having to type it again, just come to this type and give it an uppercase. Then yeah, so that's it. You can also convert, maybe you want to convert your text into a shape. You just come here, convert to shape. Now these are shapes. These are shapes, you know. Yeah, these are shapes. You can come here, then yeah. I want to ungroup so that I can show you that. Anyway, that is another video I'll do. But this now I've transformed them. They're no longer. This is not a text. Now if I double click, I cannot edit this. But if I double click this, I can edit. You see, I can type. Now this is a shape. If I come here, this is a shape. I cannot do anything with it. I can come to my, what do you call it? My direct selection right here. The shortcut is letter A on my keyboard. Then now if I click on this, you see these you see, these are letters in the independent shapes. As you can see, these are independent shapes. You can just click and drag them anywhere you want. Yeah. So yeah, that's it, guys. So that's it for today about having to add text on your artboard or on your artwork. So let's meet in the next video. But again, guys, don't forget to subscribe to this video, comment, like, share. See you in the next video.